Sabeen. Welcome back to my channel. And before we go ahead with today's video, you're going to tell me what you had for breakfast today. So before I introduce today's topic to you, I want you to see where I am sitting. It's not my usual place, as you can know from the background behind. Today I am sitting at my bedside because today I'm going to show you what I keep in this area. That is my bedside area. So let's have a look. Today, for a change, my bedside is looking like very super organized because it's just got cleaned. Otherwise, it's never so organized. Amira comes and she makes like a complete mess of it. That's me. Hi. So y'all have seen this part of my room. I have shown y'all in my makeup video. If y'all haven't seen the video, please go visit that video. And today we are exclusively going to focus on this area. I'm going to show you what is happening in this part of my life here. So my bedside had a lot of things that I had to start cleaning after Amira happened, because she would come and she would start pulling things and stuff like that. The first thing that I have is this T-Got Instant Pro LED light. It is a very bright light, which everybody told me that I started content creation, I should buy a light for myself because you know proper lighting is very important and stuff. But I'll tell you the fun part. ये light से मुझे या तो angle नहीं आता या पता नहीं क्या. This does not look good on my face at all. Like, see, I mean, I don't know what angle should I keep this light on, or what mode should I keep that I look a little better, because I have just not been able to know how to use the light. Either I am doing something wrong or this light is really bad. But I've seen this all over Instagram. I don't know how to optimally use this light. So Amira plays with this light. It's become her toy, like all the other things in my house. And then I have Burberry's Aquifolium. I have spoken about this cream so much in all my other videos. If you've come here from those videos, then you'll already be knowing this cream. If this is the first video of mine that you're watching, then this is a magical 70 rupee cream which literally solves all kinds of skincare problems that you have. If you want the link to this, please DM in the comments below and I'll be happy to give you the link. Amira's bracelets are here with me. They usually stay in this drawer. I'm going to show you this drawer later. We are not seeing this drawer today. Her bracelets are usually kept in this drawer, but I don't know how they are out today. So she really loves wearing bracelets. She'll just wear it in her hands and she'll roam around everywhere. I have my Follow Your Dream planner. It's my planning book. It has Amira's name written on it, but it's actually my book. It has all my goals and stuff written on it, and basically manifestation, any kinds of thoughts that I have, my to-do list for the day, all those things. Then I have Candid. Candid is an expert skin irritation talcum powder. Bombay की humidity में तो ये बहुत important है because it saves you from itching and stuff like that. Good bacterial dusting powder. Almond oil from USM Mahabaleshwar. It's cold pressed 100% raw almond oil. I use this to oil my hair. The little times that I feel like I need to give some tender love and care to my hair, I use this. Again, if you all want links to this, please let me know in the comments and I'll be happy to give it to you. Refresh Tears. These are the refresh drops that mothers whose children don't sleep full night need to put so that they can thrive the next day. They're basically eye cooling drops. Anastasia Dewy Set. This is like a setting spray, but it has like a little glitter in it, like, you know, really misty, and the smell is beautiful, but I haven't been able to use it enough because it makes my skin look very dark for some reason. Maybe because it's a golden sheen and I am dusky, but I really like the smell of it. Then I have a rubber band because you gotta tie your hair with a toddler or they come and they pull your hair. I have the Batiste dry shampoo, volumizing dry shampoo, because you can't wash your hair every day, but I have to record every day, so I need my hair to look good. So today I think is like a bad hair day, but yeah, I have the dry shampoo. Then I have this light that Amira has broken into 3 pieces. This was like a star projector light, which while it was there has really played its course. पूरे ceiling पे इसकी वजह से stars आते थे. Amira used to really like it. She would look at it and sleep. But now she just plays with this, and the reason we have not thrown it away is because I'm very hopeful that I can tape this and I can use it. I still use it sometimes, tape करके. Then we have Vicks Vapor Rub, and we have the L'Oreal Elsive Extraordinary Oil. This is for my hair gets really dry on the ends and I get like a lot of dead locks because I have very thin hair. So this helps me to smoothen out the hair so that I can, you know, comb it better. And Vicks Vapor Rub, though, of course, you know, it's for your nosy, you know, when you get a cold. So for now, these are all the things that live on my bedside table with me. These are not the ultimate things, but yeah, over time I've had to like remove a lot of things, and that is why now this is what is there for today on my bedside table. If you like what you saw, please do like, share, comment and subscribe, and do let me know if you want to see anything else. I will be waiting for you tomorrow. Please come here, same time, same place. Actually same place, I'm not sure same time, but I will be here tomorrow. Looking forward to see you guys. Thank you so much. Bye bye.